Welcome. In front of me I have a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to remove these straps or change these straps on this device. To change these straps on this smartband, first we need to remove the old ones, and to do it, pick up your smartband, flip it around, and on the back of your smartband you will see that you have a button at the top and bottom of the device. And to release the strap, basically you need to press on one of the buttons, and once you press on the button you can pull out the strap. Quite simple, like this. You can do the same for the other one. Press the button and pull out the strap. Here we have our device and our straps. And once you get the new straps, to put them on is also quite simple. You simply grab the device, you insert the strap like this, and you will hear the click, and once it clicks it will lock in. And the same for the top one. So basically insert it like this and it clicks and locks in. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.